The state of Andhra Pradesh marks an important milestone in women empowerment, with the Honorable Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy recently launching YSR Cheyuta scheme, as promised during his pre-election Praja Sankalpa Yatra.
వైఎస్ఆర్ చేయూత అని చెప్పి ప్రతి ఎస్సీ ఎస్టీ బీసీ మైనారిటీ అక్కకు తోడుగా ఉండే కార్యక్రమం 45 నుంచి 60 ఏళ్ల వయసులో ఉన్న ప్రతి అక్కకు కూడా 18,750 రూపాయలు ఏదైతే మేనిఫెస్టోలో మనం చెప్పామో 75,000 రూపాయలు ఈ 4 ఏళ్లలో ఇస్తామని చెప్పి ఏదైతే చెప్పామో దానికోసం ప్రతి అక్కకు కూడా ఇచ్చే కార్యక్రమానికి శ్రీకారం చుడతా ఉన్నాం.
The launch day itself saw the CM granting an amount of rupees 4,312 crore to 23 lakh women, thus fulfilling his promise. To get the best results and ensure successful implementation of Cheyuta scheme, the government of AP entered into alliances with India's renowned companies such as Amul, ITC, HUL and PNG Home Products Limited. The government has taken steadfast measures for the scheme rollout and is in the process of establishing a command control unit that involves relevant government departments and other key stakeholders. Now, the time to the next big step in the journey is here. The government of AP is now joining with the largest Indian conglomerate, Reliance Group of Industries, and Alana Group, one of the leading producers and exporters of processed food products. Reliance, the strongest brand name in India, is the country's largest conglomerate, known for its diverse services and widest reach. With a turnover of 6.59 lakh crore rupees, Reliance Group of Industry is actively engaged in energy, petrochemicals, textiles, retail, telecommunications. Reliance is the first Indian company to attain 10 trillion market capitalization. The company owns many subsidiaries and has a strong retail network across India. The government of AP's alliance with Reliance Retail will support YSR Cheyuta beneficiaries by setting up digitally equipped Jio Mart Kirana stores that will also act as an online store, facilitating aggregation and sale of vegetables and fruit through established as well as new collection centers in the state. On the other hand, Reliance Jio Infocom will work towards linking government and beneficiaries through innovative connecting platform, enabling seamless monitoring and implementing the welfare scheme effectively. Yet another alliance in this mission is with the Alana Group, one of the leading producers and exporters of halal meat products. Backed with experience of more than 150 years, Alana Group exports its products to 85 countries with an annual production capacity of 7 lakh metric tons. The company also specializes in processed fruit purees, coffee, and a range of spices and is certified as a 5-star trading house by the Government of India. The MOU between the Government of AP and Alana Group will provide assistance to YSR Cheyuta beneficiaries in rearing buffaloes, sheep and goat, trading on livestock rearing practices, technical support to entrepreneurial women in establishing feed units and retail sale of hygienic meat, supporting farmers with a buyback model. Additionally, Alana Group proposes to establish a food processing complex in AP with an investment of rupees 225 crore. The progressive alliances with India's strong and reputed brands like Reliance Group of Industries and Alana Group will spearhead the purpose behind Cheyuta scheme and eventually enhance productivity, introduce technological expertise and advance women's empowerment in Andhra Pradesh.